Hey everyone, welcome to Vagaro University. Today, I'll show you how to run a transaction list report in Vagaro. This report allows you to view a detailed breakdown of each transaction recorded in your business account. You can also track cash flow, reprint receipts, and issue refunds. Let me show you how it works. We'll start by navigating to Reports, then under the Sales section, select Transaction List. By default, Vagaro will display all transaction data for the current date. We can set multiple filters to refine our search. Under Transaction Date, we can select a from and to date or select common ranges like today, last 7 days, last month, or this year. We also have the option to filter by specific employees or customers. Under Advanced Filters, we can search based on the appointment date range rather than the dates we collected payment. We can filter credit card transactions based on what merchant account received the deposited funds, or by the transaction mode, such as tap to pay or keyed in. We can select specific transaction types, like services and products, filter by who processed checkout, the source of the booking, whether a preset discount was used, or for credit card transactions, deposit status. We can enter a specific service, class, product, barcode, or transaction ID to filter our search to a single item. We can show only refunded items. We can also select to include past employees to factor in sales data from employees who left our business during the selected date range. Disabling this setting will only display sales figures for current staff members. We'll select Run Report to generate the data according to our set filters. We can view a breakdown of each transaction recorded in our business. We can see the checkout date and time along with who processed checkout. We can see the customer, the date of the appointment for services and classes, the item sold, and the employee credited with the sale. Next, we can view the source of the booking, the quantity of each item sold, and a price breakdown including tax, tip, discount, and the total amount paid. To the right of amount paid, we can see how the customer paid for each item, including cash, check, gift card, package, membership, credit card, bank account for employee rent collection, Vagaro Pay Later, other payment methods, and IOU or invoice. We can see whether customers earned or redeemed points during their transaction. Points redeemed will be displayed in parentheses. For credit card transactions, we can see which employee's merchant account received the deposited funds, the transaction mode, and the deposit status. Finally, we can see if there was any change due to the customer. For each transaction, we can reprint or email a receipt or issue a refund. Along the bottom, we can see totals for each category based on the values of each item sold. We can expand the Money Earned drop-down along the top to see how much money our business has earned, the value of packages, memberships, and gift cards redeemed, and sales by different categories. We can also balance our cash drawer for the current date. At the bottom of the screen, we can export the data to Excel or PDF, or print a physical copy. The transaction list serves as the base for all of our sales reports, breaking down each transaction by value and payment method. For more helpful tips and tricks, click the Vagaro University link in the description below.